In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a glow effect for thumbnails in Canva. This glow effect is perfect if you want your YouTube thumbnails, social media posts, or presentation covers to stand out and look more professional without needing any advanced design skills. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, and you can follow along in your own Canva account. First, open your design in Canva and make sure the image you want to apply the glow to is on your canvas. This is usually a photo of a person or a main object in your thumbnail. Start by clicking on that image to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see a bounding box or handles around it. With the image selected, look for the background remover tool. This is usually found under the Edit Image section on the top toolbar. Click on Background Remover and wait a moment while Canva processes the image. The goal here is to remove the background so that your subject is isolated. This makes the glow effect much cleaner and more professional. Once the background has been removed, keep that image selected and click on Duplicate. This will create a second copy of your subject on top of the first one. You should now have two identical images of the same subject, stacked in the same position. One of these will be your main subject, and the other will become the glowing outline behind it. Next, select the image that you want to turn into the glow. It can help to drag it slightly to make sure you've selected the correct copy, then line it back up afterward. With that duplicate selected, click on Edit to open the editing options. From there, choose the duotone effect, which is sometimes labeled as duotone or a similar color-based effect in Canva's image tools. In the duotone settings, change the colors to match the glow color you want. For a classic glow, you might choose bright colors like neon blue, pink, or yellow. Adjust both the highlights and shadows to be close to that color so the entire shape takes on a strong, vibrant look. Now, with the colored duplicate still selected, go to Effects and choose the blur option. Increase the blur amount to soften the edges and create that hazy, glowing aura around the shape. You can also adjust the intensity or transparency to make the glow stronger or more subtle, depending on your style. Finally, position this blurred, colored version slightly behind the original sharp image. If Canva prompts you with on-screen tips or adjustment sliders, just follow them to fine-tune the blur and color until you're happy with the glow. And that's it. You've created a clean, eye-catching glow effect for your thumbnail in Canva.